do the little chick, and the little chick needs to stand on the hay bale here because we need the spaghetti to go all the way in to support the little chick. So first we start with the feet though. So I have some yellow fondant, the brighter yellow. Roll it into a ball. And we're going to need two approximately the same size. It's pretty close. Okay, so take one of these, roll it into more of a cone shape and kind of flatten it a little bit. Then I take my toothpick and I want to push in here and here and then pull this out and flatten it just a little bit. Okay, so I'm making those a little pointy. Okay, and then I'll just place that down for a second. Do the same thing with this one. Okay, so I take a little bit of water, place it right here and under this one. Okay, and put them right next to each other. Then what I want to do is just make a little mark here, here, and here for the toes. So I'm just pushing in. And then I need the spaghetti. Okay, this is going to be the leg. So I need to push this in all the way down so it touches the cake board. And then snap it off. Same thing over here. Snap it off. Okay, those are going to be the legs. Alright, so now I need some white. And we're going to roll the white into a cone. And this body is going to be much smaller than the cow and the pig. So a ball about something about this size. Roll it more into that cone or teardrop shape. Okay, like this. And I want to place that right over both of those pieces of spaghetti. Okay, then for the wings, I need two small balls of fondant. Something close to that. Roll it more into that cone shape again. Flatten it a little bit. Okay, and then what I want to do is just kind of curve this a little bit and flatten this part. So this is going to go on the side like this. Flatten this part. And then I can take my scissors and cut in. Hopefully you can see that. Okay, then I need another piece of spaghetti to go into the body but not go through. So I want to push that in. And I'm going to take a little bit of yellow. I'm going to make the beak first. So a ball and then a cone. And this is the beak. This is going to go over the spaghetti.